Why don't you earn thousands of dollars a day trading? Simply because you lack an effective strategy. Hi everyone, my name is Kami. I have earned about $56,000 in trading over the past week, and today I will share my experience and show you how you can succeed in this area. Do you dream of making as much money from trading as I do? Join my Telegram channel where I share useful tips and information about trading to help achieve financial growth. Still interested? So let's go! My discovery of a miracle combination of indicators helped me earn thousands of dollars in trading. RSI and fractal work perfectly together and help to open a trade correctly. RSI shows the trend movement on the chart by crossing the lines. Fractal shows the flexibility of the chart and the strength of the trend. Let me show you an example to make it easier for you. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frames for 30 minutes, then turn on two indicators, fractal and RSI. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the AED-CNY currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now, let's move on to transactions. I will start today with the amount of $105. It is from this amount that we will make a big profit. We look at the chart and analyze the situation. I already see the beginning of a general upward trend and weak flexibility of the chart, which means that the trend will be long and this is our signal to increase. We open a deal and wait. Here, our first transaction is being completed. The balance is replenished and amounts to $201. We will not stop and move on. It's time for the second deal for today. I can already see the beginning of an upward trend on the chart. The indicator lines intersect in the rise. I open a deal for an increase in the amount of $201 and wait for a profit. By the way, I trade on the Pocket Option platform. I had no problems here. Fast withdrawals, transparent transactions, and verified profits. Join my Telegram channel to receive bonuses and up-to-date information for successful trading. The second transaction is being completed and the balance is $387. Let's move on. Here is the final deal for today. We'll have it at $290. Now let's move on to analyzing the chart. I see big adjustments and the start of the index movement to increase. I will take a chance and open a deal for a rise. Phew! The deal was completed successfully. 3 deals in a row and there is a profit everywhere. Isn't this a miracle? The balance is already $653. Friends, the video is coming to an end and please like and follow the new videos on my channel. Don't miss your chance to earn. By the way, if you still have doubts, take a look at the reviews of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's really simple. See for yourself by clicking on the link in the description and join me. Let's make money trading together. I'm always ready to help you and share my strategies. See you soon in my Telegram channel. Bye bye.